Example 6. Okay, so first we want to solve by finding area with respect to x. So respect to x, strip must be vertical. So you draw vertical strip. Okay, so this vertical strip, and next you determine what is the thickness. Okay, so the thickness is dx, and next what is the upper boundary. So upper boundary pun must be in terms of x lah. So you have upper dia yang ni. Okay, so saya derive y. So y is equal to x plus 1 power 1 over 3. Okay. Okay, x plus 1 power 1 over 3. And we have, so upper is x plus 1 power 1 over 3. And the lower is equal to x plus 1. Okay, so lower this function x plus 1. And next, what is the limit? So limit from x axis. So kalau limit from x, we have lower is -1, and next the upper is equal to 0. Okay, so you boleh calculate the area. So area is equal to -1 until 0. And next we have upper is x plus 1, 1 over 3, minus with the lower is x plus 1, and we have the x. Okay, so we integrate and we have x plus 1 is x plus 1. Ni saya solve using formula. 1 plus 1 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 is 4 over 3 over 4 over 3. So minus x square over 2 minus x. Okay, so you have -1 and 0. Okay, lepas tu you substitute lower upper limit dulu. Okay, so upper limit first substitute with 0. So you have 0 plus 1, 4 over 3. Okay, so overkan dengan 3 over 4. Okay, so ni 0 and minus with -1. So substitute x dengan -1. Okay, so you dapat 4 over 3. So yang ni is 3 over 4. Okay, so minus -1 power 2 over 2 minus -1. Okay, so nanti you solve lah. So you solve and then you have the answer is equal to 1 over 4. 1 over 4 unit squared. Okay, so ini formula for area with respect to x. Okay, next saya nak calculate this region, tapi saya nak tukar integrate with respect to y. So kalau respect to y, you tukar strip dia. So strips dia becomes horizontal. Okay, so saya solve balik for example 6. Okay, so saya draw balik lah punya diagram tu. Okay, so we have, okay, so x equal to y cube minus 1 and y equal to x plus 1. So this one is the x and you have y axis. Okay, so saya integrate respect to y, so you draw horizontal strip. Okay, so kalau horizontal strip, thickness is dy. Okay, thickness is dy, and you need to determine what is the right. Okay, so the right minus left. Okay, so right function ini. Okay, so this function y equal to x plus 1. Tapi saya nak ambil in terms of y lah. So you derive x, x is y minus 1. So right is y minus 1, and next you have left. So left is equal to this function y cube minus 1. Okay, and the limit. Okay, limit from y axis. So you ambil from 0 until this one. So you ada 0 until, so kat sini is, okay, y-intercept. So sampai 1 lah. Okay, so dapat 1. 0 until 1. Okay, next you set up. Okay, area is equal to limit 0 until 1 right minus left. So y minus 1 minus dengan left, y cube minus 1, and then the thickness is dy. Okay, so equal to, you simplify 0 until 1. So y minus y cube, so negative 1. Okay, so dapat dy. And you integrate, so you have y square over 2 minus y4 over 4. So 0 until 1. Betul, substitute lah. Substitute first dengan 1. So 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4. Okay, minus 0. Okay, so answers dia also 1 over 4 unit square. Okay, so ni kalau you nak solve with respect to y. So kalau respect to y, maknanya thickness dia must be dy. So you mesti pakai horizontal lah. Okay, horizontal strip and thickness dy, function dalam y, and limit also from y axis. So kalau you punya dx, maknanya strip dia vertical and thickness is dx, function dia in x, and limit also from x axis. Okay, so kita dah habis for area. Okay, ada soalan tak for area? Okay. Okay, so itu saya rasa you faham lah ya. Ataupun you tak study lagi sebab you fokus pada test. So tak apalah kalau you tak study lagi, nanti cuti ni you ada mid semester break tu, you ada 1 week kan. So boleh cover balik. Okay, so saya nak masuk volume. Okay, so volume of solid of revolution 4.3. Okay, so volume, a solid of revolution is a solid generate when a plane is revolved about a line called axis of revolution. Okay, so for example, we have this 4 diagram. Okay, so yang first diagram ni, for example, you want to revolve this shaded region about the x-axis. So kalau revolve, you akan dapat this shape. Okay, dia akan dapat dalam bentuk solid lah. Okay, sama juga untuk second diagram. For example, di shaded region, you revolve about the x-axis. So dia akan form cone. Okay, so solid juga. Nanti kita nak calculate lah dia punya volume ni. Okay, so yang third example, you revolve, you have cylinder. And for the fourth shaded region, you revolve about the x-axis, you also have cylinder. But you have hole ni in the middle of the cylinder. Okay. So volume by disc and washer, okay, revolving about the x-axis. Okay, ni yang untuk first part lah. Kita nak calculate volume by using disc and washer. So volume we have 3 methods, disc, washer and disc. Disc, washer and shell method. Okay. So kita cover disc and washer dulu. So revolving pun dia boleh revolve banyak line. Dia boleh revolve pada x, or dia revolve pada y, or revolve to any lines. Okay. Tapi untuk starting ni, kita akan start dengan revolve about the x-axis. Okay. So you can refer to this figure. Okay. So for example, di shaded region, we want to revolve about the x-axis. Okay. So you boleh refer to the strip. Okay. So strip ni punya cross section area you. Okay. So you can form 2 different strip. First strip, kalau kita ambil yang dekat center ni. Okay. So this strip, when you revolve about the x-axis, it will form a shape in the form of washer. Okay, washer maknanya 2 circle. Okay, yang outer circle ataupun yang bigger circle ni, lepas tu you ada lagi satu small circle kat dalam. Okay, or you ada another cross section dia kat ujung ni. So kalau yang ujung ni, kalau you revolve about the x-axis, so you akan dapat form this. You dapat bentuk this. Okay, so kita ada 2 bentuk dia. Satu disc, dan the one is in terms of washer. So we have 2 formula lah to find the volume. Okay, so you punya total area, total volume dia is the approximation of the summation of the surface area. Okay, so ni bagi example dua je cross section dia. Sebenarnya dia ada banyak lah. Okay, so dia banyak dia punya cross section tu sampai infinity. Okay, so nanti kita boleh calculate lah dia punya volume. Okay, so observe that the strips are always perpendicular to the axis of revolution in this end washer method. So for example dia, you boleh refer this figure. Okay, so kalau you punya axis of revolution is at the x-axis or at a horizontal, so x-axis ni horizontal, so you punya strip tu must be vertical. Dia mesti opposite dengan you punya axis of the revolution untuk this end washer method. Okay, so dia mesti 90 degree lah between strip dengan you punya axis of revolution must be 90 degree. Ini contoh dia 90 degree. Okay. Okay, so for this kita start dengan this dulu. Okay, so you can refer this figure. Okay, figure A. When the shaded region is revolved about the x-axis, it will form a disc. Okay, so ni contoh lah. Okay, dia akan form disc. Lepas tu you punya surface area of the disc, sebab disc ni bila you revolve dia akan bentuk bulat lah. Okay, so you punya disc ni dia bentuk circle. Okay, so formula surface area of the circle is pi r square. Okay, so you have okay, so pi r square. So kalau ini punya radius lah, so ini punya radius. So in terms of strip, so this one is your radius. Okay, so to find the radius is konsep tu sama macam area, dia mesti yang upper. Okay, so upper boundary minus with the lower boundary. So upper boundary is y equal to fx. So r is equal to fx minus with the lower boundary is at the x-axis. So kalau x-axis also y equal to 0. So fx minus 0. And you will have r is equal to fx. So by substitute r with fx, then the formula of the surface area becomes pi fx square. Okay, so ni formula of the surface area. Ni nanti kita nak calculate volume. Surface area ni you kena multiply dengan dia punya thickness. Contoh kat sini. Ni you punya disc. Dia dah bentuk solid. So kita baru ada yang pi r square. Pi r square ni yang surface area ni je. Area untuk surface area ni. Nanti kita kena multiply dengan dia punya thickness. So thickness ni is dx. So bila surface area multiply dengan thickness, then you will get formula for the volume. So nanti formula dia is pi r square multiply with the dx. Okay, so you akan dapat lah. So ni untuk volume untuk one disc. Ni baru untuk one disc. So bila kita nak calculate semua disc ni, semua region ni mana ada banyak disc lah. So you letak je dia punya limit from A to B. Okay, so nanti you boleh dapat the whole region. Okay, so ni untuk yang volume lah. Okay, so formula untuk this. Okay, so conclusion, volume by this formula when you want to integrate with respect to x is pi fx square dx, or you can write down as pi from A to B r square dx. So saya biasa pakai yang in terms of r ni. Okay, so kalau pi fx ni sebenarnya refer to the surface area. Okay, surface area of the circle, and dx ni refer to the thickness dia. Okay, so nanti you multiply lah surface area times dengan thickness, then you get the volume. Okay, so ni formula of the this method when you want to integrate respect to x. Okay, next saya nak masuk to example 8. Okay, so example 8. Okay, we need to state the limit and radius of the cross section generated when the shaded region is revolved about the x-axis. First, you need to identify the axis of the revolution. So, axis of the revolution ni dia akan bagi dekat soalan. So, you can identify je. So, sekarang ni dia revolve at the x-axis. Next, we need to set up the integral, and next, find the volume. Okay, so axis of revolution is at the x kat sini. Okay. Okay, so saya nak solve using this method. Nanti saya akan tunjuklah you macam mana you nak differentiate between this method and washer method. Tapi sebab sekarang kita baru cover this, so kita akan solve using this lah. Okay, so saya nak solve using this method. Okay, first you draw strip dulu. Dia semua volume ni before you solve, saya nak you draw strip. Saya nak base pada you punya strip tu, you punya setup tu. So sekarang ni you punya strip dia mesti perpendicular. So kalau you punya axis of revolution is at the x, so you punya strip mesti vertical. Okay, so kalau vertical strip, nanti you akan dapat 90 degree lah. Sebab saya nak ada 90 degree between axis of revolution dengan you punya strip. Okay, so saya draw vertical strip. Okay, so you dah tahu vertical strip thickness is dx. Okay, so you state dulu what is the thickness and dx, and next you need to state what is the r. Okay, so formula for this is pi r square. So you kena ada r. R refer to the radius of the disc or you punya length of the strip. So ni you punya r. So nak calculate r, dia mesti upper minus dengan lower. Okay, so upper of the strip is function x cube plus 1. Okay, so you need to minus with the lower of the strip is at the x-axis or y equal to 0. So you need to minus with 0 and you have r is x cube plus 1. Okay, next you need to determine what is the limit. Okay, so limit from x-axis sebab kita nak thickness dia is dx. So pada x-axis, upper boundary, upper limit, you dah ada 1. So you boleh refer terus dah ada 1 kat sini. You need to calculate what is the lower limit. So kita nak point ni. So this point is the intersection between y equal to 0 and curve y equal to x cube plus 1. So you need to solve simultaneous equation. So x cube plus 1 equal to 0 and x cube equal to negative 1 and x is equal to negative 1. Okay. So you punya lower limit is negative 1. Okay, so you boleh set up the area. So area is, ni volume . Okay, so volume is equal to pi. So formula dia is pi r square. Okay, so pi tu saya letak dekat luar sebab dia constant. So nanti kita nak integrate yang x tu je. Okay, so pi and limit dia negative 1 until 1 and you have r is x cube plus 1 power 2 and multiply with the thickness is dx. Okay, so kita nak calculate the volume. You expand first. Okay, expand x cube plus 1 is x to the power of 6 plus 2x cube plus 1. Okay, and we integrate x7 over 7 plus 2x 4 over 4 plus x. So negative 1 until 1. Okay, so equal to pi. So nanti you substitute lah value dia. First you substitute with 1. So dapat 1 over 7 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. Okay. So nanti you minus dengan negative 1 lah. You substitute dengan negative 1 pula. Okay. So you get the final answer is equal to 16 over 7. 16 over 7 pi unit cube. Okay. So nanti final answer dia, you multiply je balik dengan pi. Sebab tu you dapat answer in terms of pi. Okay. So maknanya yang you solve ni, so value dia semua you akan dapat 16 over 7. You dapat ini 16 over 7 plus multiply dengan pi. Okay, so ini for example 8. Okay, for this method, tapi kita nak revolve about the x-axis. Ya, soalan tak for this method? Ni you boleh screenshot lah kalau nanti nak study. Okay, so tak ya.
Jawapannya memang semua dalam pi.
Betul. Ataupun you, kalau you tak nak dalam pi, you boleh juga dalam bentuk desimal. Ataupun you tak nak dalam pi maknanya multiply. Kalau you tak nak dalam pi, you boleh multiply 16 over 7. You masuk dalam calculator, multiply dengan pi. So nanti dia akan keluar dalam bentuk desimal. Yang tu pun boleh. Tak kisahlah asalkan dia equivalent dengan 16 over 7 pi. Okay, biasanya kita ambil lampai lah, senang nak calculate. Okay, boleh?
Boleh, Madam.
Okay. So kita baru habis, ni baru first part ya, untuk volume, disk dengan revolve at the x-axis. Next, saya nak masuk washer pula. Okay, so washer, axis dia still pada x-axis. Okay, so you can refer to this figure. First saya nak you tahu nak differentiate between, sebab kalau exam soalan dia kadang-kadang dia tak bagi method, dia just state je you need to find the volume. Sedangkan you ada 3 method, so you kena identify mana method yang you boleh pakai lah. Okay, so first saya nak you differentiate between method disk and washer. So kalau yang disk, contoh saya ambil diagram tadi for this method. Okay, ni kalau kita nak solve using this, you have x and y. So kalau you nak solve using this, you tengok you punya shaded region. Kalau shaded region tu dia attach directly with axis of the revolution. Contoh dia macam ni. You punya shaded region tu dia macam dia lekat dengan you punya axis of the revolution. Dia melekat dengan axis of the revolution. Okay, so kalau dia attach dengan you punya axis of revolution, then you need to solve using this method. Sebab nanti you punya strip tu, you akan dapat dalam bentuk this lah. So kita revolve at the x, so you akan dapat dalam bentuk this. Macam ni. So you need to solve using this method. Tapi kalau you refer this figure A ni, shaded region dengan axis of the revolution, okay, dia ada certain gap kat sini. So dia tak attach dengan axis of the revolution. So kalau dia ada gap, you punya between shaded region and axis of the revolution, then you need to solve using washer method. Okay, so washer method dia ada gap ni, so dia akan form satu lagi circle. Ni you punya strip. So bila you revolve at the x-axis, so you akan dapat bentuk macam ni strip dia. Inilah. So dia akan form two circle. So ada yang bigger circle ataupun outer circle dengan inner circle. So inner circle ni form dia based on the gap yang ada tu. Okay. So kalau you ada gap between shaded region and axis of revolution, so you gonna solve using washer. Okay. So bila you ada dua circle, maknanya formula dia nanti kita nak calculate yang between ni. So nak calculate yang between these two circle ni, so you kena multiply yang bigger circle, and then formula untuk surface area untuk yang bigger circle, you kena minus dengan yang smaller circle tu, ataupun outer circle minus dengan inner circle. Baru you akan dapat yang between ni. Okay, so ni untuk formula untuk washer. Inilah washer. Kalau this, sebab dia ada satu je circle, so sebab tu formula dia just pi r square. Okay, so kalau untuk washer dia ada dua circle, so yang capital letter R ni represent radius of the outer circle, and small letter r ni radius for the inner circle. Okay, so conclusion, we have formula for the washer method. Okay. So ini. So kalau you nak determine the outer radius, yang ni outer radius you. So outer radius maknanya dia mesti yang upper minus dengan yang lower. So upper boundary dia is fx. So you punya outer you have fx minus dengan 0. So you have fx. And then for the inner radius yang form by gap tu, so kita ada gap kat sini. So inner radius yang upper dia is gx and minus also with 0. So you have gx. Okay. So conclusion, formula for the washer method by integration respect to x is this one. Okay, so function fx also equal to outer radius, and function gx is also equal to inner radius. Okay. So ni formula ni kena tahulah formula untuk washer dan formula for this. Okay. So next saya nak solve for example 10. Okay, so example 10, we need to state the limit and radius of the cross section generated when the shaded region is revolved about the x-axis. So you identify axis of the revolution, then set up the integral and find the volume. Okay, so sekarang ni axis of revolution is at the x. Okay, lepas tu you kena determine method. Kita ada this dengan washer. So kalau you tengok you punya shaded region ni, okay, shaded region ni dia ada gap dia. So kat sini, kalau nampak dia ada certain gap kat sini. So dia ada gap between axis of revolution dengan you punya shaded region. Okay, dia tak attach, the whole region dia tak attach. Okay, bila ada certain gap maknanya you kena solve using washer method. Okay, so washer method, next you need to determine the strip. Okay, you kena draw lah strip tu. So nak draw strip, you kena refer to the axis of the revolution. So axis of revolution is at the x. So x is horizontal. Then you need to draw vertical strip lah. So saya draw vertical strip, tapi strip tu you ada dua sebab yang of dia pakai washer kan. So washer maknanya you ada dua radius, outer dengan inner radius. So saya determine dulu the outer radius. Okay, so thickness you dx lah. Sebab kita nak pakai vertical strip. And the outer radius is this one. Ni outer radius. Okay, so outer radius is upper boundary x cube plus 2. Okay, you need to minus with the lower boundary is at the x-axis or y equal to 0. So minus with 0 and you have the outer radius is x cube plus 2. Okay, next you need to determine what is the inner radius. Okay, so inner radius you yang bawah ni. Okay, so you punya inner radius is from x square. Ni radius untuk yang smaller circle tu. So you have x square, upper dia x square, so lower dia is function y equal to 0, so minus 0. And you have x square. Okay, next you need to determine what is the limit. So limit from x-axis. So from x-axis, negative 1 until 1. So dia dah bagi kat sini, negative 1 until 1. Lepas tu you boleh set up. So V is equal to pi. Formula dia is outer radius square minus inner radius square dx. Okay, so saya substitute dalam formula. You have pi. Limit negative 1 until 1. And then the outer radius is x cube plus 2 square minus with the inner radius x square square dx. Okay, so equal to pi. Okay, so negative 1 until 1. You expand, you have x power 6 plus 4x cube plus 4. Okay, minus with x to the power of 4 dx. Okay, lepas tu you boleh integrate. Okay, pi. Okay, so dapat 4x minus x5 over 5. Okay, limit negative 1 until 1. Okay. So final answer nanti substitute upper dengan lower and you get the final answer is equal to 276. 276 over with 35 pi unit cube. Okay, so ni for answers for example 10. Okay, so kita dah habis washer and disc revolving about the x-axis. Okay, ada soalan tak? Tak ada. Okay, so kalau tak ada, saya continue lagi. Okay, kita revolve about the y-axis pula. Okay. So still method disc and washer, tapi saya nak tukar axis of the revolution. Okay, tadi sebelum ni kita revolve at the X. Sekarang saya nak revolve at the Y. Okay, so Y axis. Okay, so konsep dia sama jugalah. Cuma kita akan tukar strip dia. Okay, so kalau revolve at the Y, contoh revolve kat sini. Okay, so you punya strip must be horizontal. Okay, sebab Y axis ni vertical, so strip dia is horizontal lah. So horizontal strip, and next you will have this form, this method. Okay, so ni you punya R. Okay, so the thickness is dy sebab you punya strip tu is horizontal. So thickness dy and then the radius. So radius sebab strip dia horizontal, so dia mesti right minus left. So right minus kan dengan left. So right u is function fy and minus with left. Left is function at the x-axis or x is equal to 0. Okay, function at the y-axis, so x is equal to 0. Fy minus 0 and then you will have fy. Okay. So formula for this method when we want to integrate respect to y is pi fy square, ataupun you nak ambil in terms of r pun boleh. AB r square dy. Sama macam formula untuk this yang tadi. Cuma tadi kita ambil dx sebab dia respect to x. Yang ni kita tukar dy lah sebab dia respect to y. Okay. Next for washer pula. So washer pun kita boleh extend to integration respect to y. Okay, so for example you have this shaded region. So kita nak revolve dia at the y axis. Tapi sebab dia ada gap between shaded region dengan axis of revolution, so kita need, we need to solve using washer method. Okay, so washer method dia akan form this shape lah. Okay, with two radius. Okay, we have the outer and the inner radius. Okay, so yang ni is the outer radius. So ini is the capital letter R. Okay, so outer radius is equal to right minus left. So you punya right is Fy minus kan dengan you punya left. Okay, so you punya left is function at the x-axis. So at the y-axis, so x is equal to 0. So Fy minus 0 and then you have Fy. And for the inner radius, so ini is the inner radius, small letter r. So inner radius is from the right is gy, okay, minus with the axis of the revolution is also 0. So inner radius is equal to gy. Okay. So conclusion, okay, we get the formula for the washer when we want to integrate respect to y. Okay, so you can dapat formula ni. Or you nak pakai in terms of capital letter R pun boleh dengan small letter r. Okay, you have outer radius minus inner radius and dy. So you pakai formula dia sama juga dengan yang tadi, kita beza yang belakang ni je. Okay, tadi dx, so kalau respect to y, we change into dy. Okay. Next, example 30. Okay, so saya nak you refer example 30. Okay, so for example 30, kita nak state radius, lepas tu dia revolve at the y-axis. Okay, so revolve at the y-axis. So we need to set up the integral and find the volume. Okay. Okay, so next step, you dah identify axis of revolution is at the y, lepas tu you kena determine method. So method dia kita pakai washer lah. Okay, sebab dia ada gap between axis of revolution dengan you punya shaded region. So method washer means that you have two radius, outer and inner radius. Okay. So you punya diagram ni dia ada dua region ya. Sebab you have two different outer radius. Okay. So example, saya divide into two region. Okay, so yang ini become the first region. Okay, so ini yang region A. And this one is region B. Okay. Okay, so saya determine thickness dulu. Okay, saya ambil region A dulu. Okay, so kita tengok kenapa dia ada dua region. So region A, first you determine what is the thickness. Okay, sebab kita revolve pada Y, so you kena pakai vertical lah, vertical strip. So kalau vertical strip, you punya thickness is dy. You kena buat horizontal strip. So horizontal strip, thickness is dy. And for outer radius, so yang ni you punya outer radius. Okay. So outer radius is from the right of the strip. Okay, so right ni. Okay, sampai edges of the revolution. Okay, so you punya right is function ini, tapi you kena tukar, saya nak derive x. So x is y plus 1. Okay, so you punya right is y plus 1 minus dengan edges of the revolution dia is 0. Okay, and you will have y plus 1. And the inner radius. Okay, so inner radius is yang ini. So ini so inner radius is the curve ni. So you punya curve dengan edges of revolution. So curve you is y square. So y square minus 0. Okay, so equal to y square. And you need to state the limit. Okay, so limit you ambil daripada sini. So you ada upper limit dia is 0. So you need to determine what is the lower limit. So lower limit is the intersection, sebab kita cari point kat sini. So the intersection between this line dengan curve ni. So you kena solve simultaneous equation lah. Kita nak cari pada y, so y square equal to y plus 1. So saya solve these two. Y square dengan y plus 1. Okay, so transpose semua pada one side. Minus y minus 1 equal to 0. And you will have y dia. Okay, so y is equal to 13. Okay. Okay, so y square minus 1 minus 1. So first y dia negative 0.618. Ni you boleh solve using calculator. So another one is 1.618. Tapi since the position of the x ni pada y yang negatif, so kita ambil yang inilah value dia. So negative 0.618. Okay, so ini untuk region A. Next, saya nak set up for region B pula. So region B, thickness dia pun samalah dy. Okay, so thickness is dy. So dia ada dua region sebab you punya outer radius dia different. Okay, so yang ni you punya outer radius. Untuk region B, outer radius you is from the right boundary. So right boundary dia function yang ini ditukar. So kalau function ni saya nak derive x, so negative x is y minus 1. So x is 1 minus y. So r dia is 1 minus y. Okay, so dia lain dengan yang tadi y plus 1, yang ni 1 minus 1. Okay, and minus dengan 0. Okay, so dapat 1 minus y. And then for inner radius dia sama. Okay, so you punya right is y square minus dengan left dia is 0. So you have y square. And the limit. Okay, limit dia from 0 until sama lagi sekali you kena cari intersection dia berapa kat sini. So this intersection is between y square dengan 1 minus y. So lagi sekali you kena solve for y square. You kena solve for quadratic equation. So plus y minus 1 equal to 0. So nanti y dia pun you have to values. Y dia is negative 1.618. Another one, y is equal to 0.618. Tetapi sebab position yang ke atas ni is y yang positif, so kita ambil yang ini. Okay, So limit dia upper is 0.618. Okay, so dia dapat dua region. Nak calculate the whole volume, you kena plus lah. Plus region A plus with region B. Okay. So saya continue. Okay, continue nak calculate the volume ya. So volume is A plus with B. Okay, so you copy balik. Tadi region A, you ada limit dia negative 0.618 until 0. Lepas tu, you have the outer y plus 1 square minus, so kita ada pi depan ni. Okay, so minus with inner radius dia is y square. So y square square. Okay, dy. And plus with pi, so area for the B is okay, so area for B, we have limit dia 0 until 0.618, and next you have the outer radius is 1 minus y square minus with y square and dy. Okay, so nanti you can expand lah, you expand, lepas tu you need to integrate, lepas tu you substitute value 0. So ni saya expand, you have y square plus 2y plus 1 minus y power 4 dy plus with pi. Okay, so ni pun saya expand dapat 1 minus 2y plus with y square. So minus with y power 4 dy. Okay. Lepas tu ni you can integrate. So you have pi. So saya integrate y power 3 okay, lepas tu you masukkan limit dia negative 0.618 dengan 0. So plus with pi and you integrate lagi sekali this side. So y minus 2y2 over 2 minus y5 over 5. So 0 until 0.618. So nanti you masuklah value dia. So substitute the upper dengan lower, ni pun sama, substitute upper dengan lower, and you get the final answer is equal to, so ni example 13. Final answer is 1.866 unit cube. Okay, ini saya tak ambil dalam pi. Kalau you nak convert dalam pi pun boleh. Okay, so yang ni for example 13. Okay, ada soalan tak? Example 13. Ya?
Boleh medium ke slide sebelum saya nak tak gambar.
Yeah. Okay. So nanti lecture ni saya akan bagi recorded yang recorded lecture lah untuk ini, sebab saya tahu mungkin ada yang tak yang tak study lagi, so mungkin you fokus test dulu kan. Okay, ada lagi tanya apa-apa?
Madam,
Ya,
jadi macam mana kita nak beza yang dia kena pecah tu ada A dengan B tu, sepening yang dekat situ?
kalau you ada dua different radius tu. Kalau contoh kan macam ni kita pecah sebab you punya outer radius ada dua strip yang berbeza. Satu dia y plus 1, satu lagi 1 minus y. Kalau you punya strip satu je macam yang example sebelum ni, kalau satu strip you tak perlu pecah lah, you pakai satu je. Dia bila pecah tu bila you kena try tengok strip dia. Okay, kalau you dapat satu strip je tak perlu pecah. Tapi kalau ada dua strip untuk variable yang sama, maknanya variable outer radius ni Dia variable yang sama tapi dia ada 2 strip. Sebab tu you kena pecah. Sama juga kalau you ada 2 strip untuk inner radius. Macam ni inner radius tu 1 strip. Tak apalah. Tapi kalau inner radius ada 2 strip, mana inner radius pun you kena pecah jugalah. Okay. Boleh?
Oh, okay, faham.
So bila you kena tengok variable dia. Dia sebenarnya kalau nak satu strip, kalau variable R ni dia kena ada satu strip. Variable untuk small letter R pun sepatutnya ada satu je strip. Kalau dua-dua ada satu strip, then tak perlu pecah lah. Kalau you nampak salah satu variable tu ada 2 strip, so region tu you kena pecah ikut dia punya strip tu. Okay, boleh?
Boleh, madam.
Okay, soalan. Ada lah. Okay. So tak apa. So saya faham kalau you tak study lagi yang ini. Okay, nanti cuti nanti you study balik lah chapter volume ni. Sebab nanti next class after next semester break nanti saya akan continue dengan 4.3.3 yang tu kita nak ditukar axis of the revolution. So sebelum tukar axis, at least you kena dah faham dah. At least you dah faham macam mana you nak revolve pada X dan juga untuk revolve pada Y. Nanti kalau semua serentak nanti you pening pula. So you study dulu untuk X dengan Y ni. Okay, so tu je untuk hari ni. Jangan lupa sign attendance lepas ni. Siapa yang tak sign lagi, siapa yang tak tick attendance lagi. Lepas tu next week you dah test. Good luck untuk you punya test next week. Kalau ada persoalan, you boleh WhatsApp saya lah. You nak tanya apa-apa ke, ataupun you dah buat solution, you nak suruh saya check ke, so you boleh WhatsApp je saya. Okay. So tu je untuk hari ni. Thank you class. Nanti ni saya bagi yang tadi punya recorded punya.
Okay, madam. Thank you.
Madam, thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.